Alright, you guys, well, we're going to be going on another bike ride adventure. And yeah, I just looked at the video footage, and yeah, it was my first time, so we're going to be riding a little bit more slow and pasty, but... And I heard that there's a lot of vibration noises. So yeah, so I'm going to be putting it up here. I hate the bumpy roads. Now, probably the roads will make my video smoother. Oh, geez, sewer. The sewer wasn't helpful, you guys. I'm sorry. I need to catch up a little bit, okay? So... I know. Alright guys, well we're going to be going down the hill right now. Oh gosh, it's going to be a big one, you guys. Beautiful out though, isn't it? Jeez, this thing is full of power. What? Hi. Alright, you guys, I'm sorry about the shaky. Yes, I do. We're going to Lakewood today.
We have to go to Lakewood. It's getting hot.
I do want to go, I said. Stop. Alright, guys, well, we're going to Lakewood. Now, here we go. It's quite busy there, you guys, so they may tell us to stop filming. I hope that nobody notices the camera and we're all good to film, but I don't know. That said no photos or anything. And I guess I'll be the first one to bring in a camera. Oh. At the red light?
You go straight or right? We're gonna go straight.
Go straight? Wait, where are we going, Daddy?
Straight.
We're not going.
Keep going straight. Be faster, dude. You only do the same route every day. You gotta mix it up.
Yes, I did not want to do the same route. I'm just not used to this. We're trying to make it up a little bit different. And we're going to Lakewood. What? Take a break? What the hell? Hey, Dad? So we're taking a break? Oh, shoot. Jesus. No, we usually go that way.
Get out of the road.
Out of the road.
I have plenty of time.
What?
I have plenty of time to get out of the road.
We're gonna take a little dock up here. Not the same one.
Why are we going to somewhere different? I didn't film that place yet. I didn't film the other place.
You don't want to go over here?
I do. I guess we can do all of Lakewood today, though. Alright guys, well, we're in Lakewood finally. From our neighborhood to Lakewood. Just get a view of that beautiful waterfall real quick. Stop, you guys.
You can do it down here too.
Might be a faster ride than Duck Pond to get here, actually.
Oh, yeah. That's right. Let me see.
Look at the fish. Fish.
Italy's better.
Oh wait, there is fish. You're right, you guys. That's an Ethan's Adventures World thing right there. There's fish.
We need to get him fixed.
Oh yeah, that's what I need, is an electric bike. Go ahead and buy me one. Yeah, this place is beautiful. Lakewood is so beautiful here. If I do ever run out of room, then I'll delete the videos that I did yesterday. I hit all frames, dude. I don't know if it... There's a waterfall. There is a waterfall. That's exactly what my thing is. I love to record waterfalls. Alright, you guys, well, that's the waterfall. You want me to take you down the dock, you guys? Alright, I'll take you guys down there, I guess. There's not very many ducks here anyways, so don't even... We get close up to the waterfall. Oh, my pedals hit it. That just mirrors it actually, not picking it up. Oh, damn it. Stay on. There is a waterfall there, you guys. I don't know if it's picking it up, but... Ooh, I just got a dragonfly on video, you guys. Here's the waterfall that I was talking about right here. And there's little mini fish in the pond. I'm up on a dock, if you guys didn't notice. People have beautiful houses on Lakewood. It's a gorgeous place. Why is it... My setup is pretty annoying here. But yeah, there's the waterfall. There's the water fountain. What is that? Alright guys, well, I am trying to bring you guys back up. Without I kind of don't like the setup that I have today, but I'm using the setup anyways.
Yeah.
Because I was running out of time before the heat was out.
It's rugged out for everyone.
I was thinking I could run to the park, right? Come down here and do a loop and run back to the park. Right, go up. I don't like it.
Ouch. just to let you know, you guys, bike ride videos might be a little bumpy sometimes because of the crappy cement sidewalks. You see right here, it's gonna be a bunch of crap. I know it.
I just start the treadmill and go to bike.
I see it's like bumping like crazy. See? You see how the video shakes because the sidewalk's horrible. Yeah, I guess he's telling us to go. I know. I saw the tunnels. Shoot, I hate it when it's like that. So we should have brought my drone today. So do you know what? Maybe we shouldn't have because there might be something wrong with it. Oh. This is what I'm talking about, people. You guys need to like social distance. Like kids using the park. Seriously, mothers? Like, look at that. This should not be time for that. It even says it on the sign. Stop and look around. Right here. Coronavirus, you guys. I mean coronavirus, you guys. You guys need to like stay home and stay healthy. And I've seen a lot of people not do that, so I'm kind of disappointed in that.
I know you don't believe me, but I do have pretty.
I'll be doing a coronavirus video.
I've seen golf and play tennis and
What?
Whatever. Good at that
drive.
stuff. Okay, Mr. I pick more things than you.
Oh wow, the palm trees are beautiful.
I guess I would consider
They have like a little playground here and stuff too. It's gone a little bit of it.
Oh. Well, yeah, okay.
Alright guys, well we're going to be going to the next part. Alright.